Hello everyone, I hope you're well. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and you're enjoying your break. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a wavy effect using two different tools for your cakes. Check out my tutorial on how to layer and fill your fresh cream cakes here. Place your cake on your turntable, use a silicone pastry brush like I'm using, hold it at a 180 degrees angle so it's against the cake, and spin the turntable with your other hand so as to create lots of lines at the bottom part of the cake. Using a light pressure, continue to do this. Once this effect has fully come through, start using an up and down motion to create the wavy effect till you reach the top of the cake. You can create a 3D wave effect by using a flat edge cake scraper. Repeat the same method as you did above. To create a ripple effect on the top of the cake, place your palette knife in the center of the cake and come outwards while spinning the turntable. Doesn't this look beautiful? It's actually glowing, isn't it? So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a glow effect using edible glitter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.